Okay, we're going to check out the log properties in order to evaluate some log expressions. Okay, so let's kind of look at each one of these individually. The product rule says when I have the log of some base of two things multiplied, that's what that stands for, m times n, two different things multiplied. That's equal to, I can separate them out with addition as long as I have the same bases under here of those two things that were multiplied in that first log. So let's look at an example of that. If I have log base 3 of 4 times 6, I could rewrite that as log base 3 of 4 plus log base 3 of 6. And it goes the same way backwards. If I had this to start with, I could change it and rewrite it like this over here and actually write log base 3 of 24. Okay, the quotient rule says almost the same thing, and actually this is wrong right here. This should not be plus, this should be minus. It says log base b of one thing divided by another thing. If I'm taking the log of a quotient, I can split that log up into the log with that same base of the numerator minus log with the same base of the denominator. Okay, and there's a subtraction in between there. So an example of that would be if I had log base 7 of 3/5, that could be expanded to be log base 7 of 3 minus log base 7 of 5. And similarly, if I already had this expanded one, I could change it back into one log and rewrite it as log base 7 of 3/5. Okay, then lastly, let's check out the power rule. That says if I'm taking the log of some base of something to a power, I can actually take that power and put it in front of the log and multiply it. An example of that would be log base 2 of, let's go 4 to the third power. That could be rewritten as 3 times log base 2 of 4. That could actually be simplified because log base 2 of 4 is kind of easy to do, but we'll just leave it like that for now. That's how you do the power property.